Hello everyone, my name is Bhagyashri and I welcome you all in this Selenium with Python series. In last video, we have seen how to launch different browsers like Chrome, Firefox and Edge using Selenium. Now, before going to the next topic of Selenium, I feel I should cover some basics of Python so that will be helpful for you to write test script. So that's why I will create some videos on Python. So let's start with Python variable. So basically, variable is nothing but it is a container which stores the value. Or in another word, we can say that a name is given to the memory locations is nothing but a variable. So all the operations that we are going to perform on that variable that directly affect to that particular memory locations. And variable that is storing the value temporarily means value of variable can be changed at any time during the program execution. So let's start with practical. So I will create one separate Python package for basics of Python. So I'm giving the name as Python basic, and here I will create one Python file and I will give name as variable demo. You can give any name. Okay. So uh, so let's see what is the variable. Suppose I'm writing x, or before writing this, so let's print 10. Okay, and just execute this. If I execute this, then I'm getting output as a 10. Now suppose I want to change its value to 15. Okay, and then I execute this, then I'm getting as a value output as a 115. So instead of hard coding here, I will take x as a variable, okay, and it will hold that 115. Now instead of hard coding this value, I'm just passing x, and now I can print this. So I'm getting same result. Means this x is nothing but it is a variable which stores the value of integer. Now we'll again define one more variable as a bar, and that will hold value as 10.45. Now suppose I print x as well as I want to print y also, and execute this. So we can see it's the output. So this y is nothing but it is a variable that are storing float value. Okay. So we'll again here we can change its value. Suppose I want to make it as a ABC. Okay. Then I will run this program and I will get value of x as a 115 and for y as a ABC. So this is so means value of y can be changed or variable value can be changed. Now let's see some rules while declaring variables. So first rule is a Python variable name must start with letter or the underscore character. Means what? Suppose I want to declare one variable like a. Okay. So variable name should be always should start with uh, underscore, either underscore or small letters. Okay. Suppose I try to define like this 6g and 6g equal to 9, something like that. I am defining 6g. So you can see here uh, variable demo statement expected. And suppose I am printing this 6g. Okay, now it will give me output, but yeah, yes, you can see invalid decimal literal means we cannot sorry means we cannot create a variable with which start with number or any other character like suppose I will give star. and I want to print this, and let's execute this. I'm getting error as syntax error as started assignment target must be in the list or tuple. Means this variable it is not considering. Means we have while declaring variable we should always start with either underscore or a small letter. Suppose I'm giving as a 990 underscore. Now I will print this variable. Now it will give me the result. Now let's execute this. Now see, we can get this result. So next rule, we'll see the next rule. A Python variable name cannot start with a number. Just now we have seen number with number it is giving error, syntax error. Next, Python variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. Means it either we can give underscore or this way either number or a alphabetic character. Apart from that, we special characters we can't give. Suppose I am defining here star. Now see here I am getting in error in red color, and if I want to execute this, I will give it will give me error give me syntax error. So let's execute. So here it is giving me error at this declaration. Means it is not considering as a uh, variable. Suppose I am declaring it as a capital. Okay, and let's print this. Let's see what happens. And just execute. Yeah. So for capital letter, it will give me the it will print, but as per convention, we should give name in a small letter. Okay, AST. I will give name as a AST. Now we'll see next rule. So next is variable in Python names are case sensitive. That is name, and name are the three different variables. Means suppose here I am giving AST as a name, and again I am defining here in capital AST, and I am defining here its value I am giving as a hello. Now just print both these statement, both this variable, and let's see the result. See, both are means it is capital, it is case sensitive. This variable will hold this integer value, and this AST in caps lock. This will hold hello means it will hold the string variable. Okay. Now next rule is the reserved keywords in Python cannot be used to the name. Means what? Some keywords are there that are reserved in this language. Means for example, for, if, then class, define, def. So like these variables are already defined. So we can't use this variable as a this name as a variable. Suppose I if I give for as a variable, and I here see here for this reserve keyword for it is giving me error, and if I print this for then see what error we are getting. Invalid syntax means reserved keyword like if else, in the case of if else, if else, if, then while. So like these keywords which are reserved, that keywords we can't use while defining variables. So these are the some basic rules for defining variables. Now next we'll see how to reassign the value. Suppose here for this y initially it contains value as a ABC. Okay, now I will print this y. Okay, and now next I will change its value. Okay, so y equal to ABC. Instead of ABC, I will do here 16.5, 16.8. This as a float point value. And now I will print 1. So let's see what is the output. See, so before here in print, it will print value of x as 115 and y, value of y as ABC, because initially its value of y is ABC. Now we are changing value of y to 16.8, means from string to floating point. Now its value is 16.8, means after. Means we can reassign the value to variable. So these are the some basics about variable. So we can say one more, means we can declare like this: a equal to b equal to c equal to 7, means in one line, means multiple declaration we can do and assigning value, multiple declaration of a variable and assigning value to it, that can be possible. So if we print a, sequentially we will print a, then print uh, b, then print c, and let's check its result. Okay, see here value, all these value are 7 we are getting. Now one more, suppose a, I can assign multiple value to the multiple variable in one line, means a comma, instead of a I will take p comma q comma r. Okay, and for pqr I am assigning value in one line, like the value of p will be 12 comma, suppose for q I am giving value as high string value, and for r I will give 18 8 or 8.9. Okay, and now let's print all the values here. Print print p, then print q, then print r. Okay, and now let's check its output. I will remove this print statement. Just we'll see this only. Now I will execute. Now see, for value of p is 12, for q is high, and for r is 8.9. Means in one line also we can declare variable and assign value. So these are all about variables. So let's just we'll revise what we have learned. So variable it is nothing but it is a container which holds value temporarily, and its value can be changed during the program executions. Or in another word, variable it is nothing but it is a name given to the memory location. And these are the some rules while defining variables. Means for variables we can declare variable, or we can give the name to the variable with the combination of alphabets, numbers, and underscore only. Other special characters we can't use. Again, our variable name should start with either underscore or with lower case alphabet. Next, reserve keyword we can't use, means reserve keywords like if, else, then for, while. These are the reserve keyword in Python. So that name we can't give to the variable. So these are all about variables. So thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in next video.